The Australian market is receiving weak positive leads from offshore trading overnight, despite a series of unsettling issues running in various locations around the world. US stocks made solid gains on Wednesday after a key report on private sector hiring suggested the ailing labour market was turning a corner. An hour into local trading and the ASX 200 index is down 1 point for the session so far, with financials and energy stocks holding the market back. In company news, shares in Qantas Airways are down 1 cent at $2.18 per share today, as they announced the latest cost-cutting measures are to include job losses in an attempt to ensure the airline's ongoing sustainability. The natural disasters in Queensland, New Zealand and Japan, alongside rising jet fuel prices, will see Qantas Airways cut jobs, retire aircraft early and reduce capacity growth. Ticket prices and fuel surcharges had already been lifted twice over the last 2 months. Qantas is facing a reduction in second half earnings of approximately $165 million in what is being compared to the biggest disaster since the GFC. In other news, shares in utilities provider Transfield Services Infrastructure Fund, TSI, have received a non-binding indicative approach from Thailand-based Ratchaburi Electricity Generating Holdings PCL. The offer proposes an acquisition of 80% of TSI shares for a price of 85 cents per security. The remaining 20% will be maintained by major shareholder Transfield Services Limited, TSE Group. The proposal and the supporting transactions have the in-principle support of Transfield Services Board at the moment. TSI is currently buying 77.5 cents per share. On the currency front, the Australian dollar was up slightly overnight and is currently buying 103.18 US cents. This is Dirk Van Dissell for Young Stockbrokers.